Hi everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how I build a feature in Odoo 18 to dynamically export data to an Excel file using selected fields. Let's understand code step by step and file by file. Let's start with manifest.py file. This is the main configuration file for the module. The name of the module is employee XLSX export. It depends on the web and base. Here the data files are security and two views, which is employee views and export views. This file also defines other metadata like installable, license, author, website. Next, we define our employee model in Python. This model contains name, job title, email, phone, and active. All this contains in the demo.employee model. This is where we will store our employee records in database. Now let's move towards the views. Here in employee views.xml file, we create a list view to display all the employees in table format and form views to create or edit employees. Also, we define the action to open this model and link it to menu items. One main menu is called employees and the other submenu is manage employees. This setup allows user to manage employee data from the Odoo UI. Now, let's come to the core part of the feature, the wizard. Here. Here, we use a transient model, which is shown over here. Since this is the temporary pop-up form, this model has Boolean fields like export name, export job title, export email, export phone, and export active. This checkboxes allows users to choose which fields they want to export. When user clicks export button, it collects the selected fields and header and passes them as a parameters to a URL which is shown over here using an IR actions act URL. Let's move towards the export views file. Here in the export views.xml, we create a wizard form. It displays the checkboxes for each fields, which is shown over here, and two buttons at the bottom. One is the export XLSX button and the other is cancel button. Now the users can go to this menu, select the fields they want and click export. Now let's move towards the controller. Finally, in the controller file, we handle the export process. Here we define a route that is /employee/export/XLSX. Here, this route receives the selected fields and the header. Then it searches all employee records and uses the XLSX library to generate Excel file in the memory. Now, the headers are written in the first row and then employees selected data are added row by these loops. Now, at the end, the Excel file is written as a downloadable response. Now, let's try it out. Let's move to the model. Make sure to run code in terminal and then go to their local host. Here, I have added some example data. As I go to the export XLSX, here I have got checkboxes. For example, if I want name, job title and email in my file, then I am selecting this. Now let's see. Here it is. We only have name, job title and email in our file. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe to our Kanak Infosystems YouTube channel.